Congratulations, you've now got just one step to go. And if you're like me, you'd have practiced some of those steps, especially the early ones, many times because you keep making a mistake. Hopefully you're better than me. That's always my aim. So you may either have a cube that looks like this, which has all the centres incorrect, in which case it doesn't matter how you hold it, or you have it where one face is correct. If one face is correct, we hold that one away from us. If not, it doesn't really matter. So I will go with the one face correct, and I'll show you what you need to do. I call this the helicopter move, although my students have renamed it the 11 move. I'll show you what I mean by the helicopter move. We want this orange one to move here, this red one's going to come round and move to here, and this blue one's going to move to there. So we double spin the front face. We turn the top towards where we want this one to move, which is this way. We bring the left and right down in front, so I always thought it looked a bit like a H, but students say it looks like 11. Turn the H or the 11 around and put it the other way up, and put it back on the top. I used to say on the helicopters back on the roof. And you can now just see on the sides how we do the last two steps. And solved. Wowzers. Let's now do it where it doesn't matter. So double spin the front face. Doesn't matter where I turn this one. Bring the left and right down in front so it's a H. Turn the helicopter around. Put the helicopter back on the roof. Just look at the sides. You can work out what goes on. And double spin it round. We now will have one solid face. Okay, this time I want the green one to move to the right. Double spin the front face. Turn the top where you want it to go. Left and right down in front to make our 11. Make sure it's still 11 but up the other way. Put it back on the top. And then just look at the sides. And you can see that it's done. I hope you found that useful. I hope you're now able to solve the Rubik's Cube. And all the very best.